Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a custom Nothing Found page using content blocks within WordPress Blocksy. Let's get started by showing you what a Nothing Found page is. So over here we have our search icon and our search bar, and let's search for something like Tokyo, okay? And there won't be anything, because I know that there's no Tokyo content on our site. So you see, search results for Tokyo. Sorry, but nothing matched your search terms. Please try again with some different keywords. And there is our search bar again, and we can try something here. All right, so let's go ahead and head over to our dashboard and hover over Blocksy and click on Content Blocks. Now, while we're here, let's go ahead over beside here. It says Content Blocks. Click on Add New and click on Custom Template and scroll down and find Nothing Found. Nothing Found Template 1. And click on Create Content Block. Make sure to click it only once, as we've had some issues with clicking it multiple times and it creating more than one. Okay, so here's our Nothing Found template. Okay, so it's real simple. We can just add a heading, an advanced heading here, okay? And let's call this, oops, seems like we don't have what you were looking for. Try okay, that seems kind of passive-aggressive, but we can work with that, all right? And this one probably seems like we don't have what you're looking for, all right. And we can add a search bar here, search, right? And then the placeholder here is, that's fine. And then we can customize our colors here. You can see text and background and whatnot. And we can have a button here, or icon, icon button. And no, we should probably just go with a normal button. Yeah, we can go with a normal button over here. Okay, and home. Now we'll put in our home page as our default one here. And then you can make this much bigger, enable the icon. And let's try to find it. We can probably search, oops, home. There you go, home. And we can make it, a bit bigger. Let's add an animation and label icon presets. Oh, these ones are cool. Let's use this one. No, it's hard to read. All right, that's good. Okay, and there are a whole bunch of there. And size, we can make it automatic. And flexible align, we could do that for the inside part there, but it should be fine with the default settings. We'll align this on the setter. And spacing, now the margins are fine there. We can hide this one, we can hide this one. And you know what, that looks fine. All right, we can drag and then we can make it bigger by here, fatter like that. And that should be good. And we can save it. And it should be enabled by default. So let's go ahead and refresh this one. For instance, we search Tokyo. And there we have our placeholder, which is Tokyo. Let's search for Guatemala. Right? And we can search. And again, nothing's found. And if we search for electronics, we should have our options there. And if we went back over here and clicked on home, it takes us back to our domain page, takes us back home. So there's how you make a custom nothing found page for your search area using Blocksy's content blocks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.